Fix in 5. P0602 ECM, PCM programming error or control module reprogramming failure. If your scanner threw this, here's exactly what's going on and what to do. This is the part where you stop reading and call someone. First, the symptoms. Vehicle will not start or starts intermittently. Check engine light illuminated, engine stalls or dies while driving. Multiple fault codes present. Loss of engine control function. Now the most likely causes. ECM, PCM programming failure or corruption. Control module software update interrupted. Defective ECM or PCM hardware. Battery disconnection during programming. Failed reprogramming procedure. How to fix it. Reprogram ECM, PCM using manufacturer diagnostic equipment. Verify correct programming procedure and calibration files for vehicle. Clear all fault codes after successful reprogramming. Replace ECM, PCM if reprogramming fails or hardware failure detected. The scanner and parts I'd use are linked below. How common is it? Reported on 532 models. What does it cost? Roughly €280 minus 650 doing it yourself, or Euro 400 to 770 at a workshop. Rates vary by country. People also ask, can I fix P0602 myself, DIY? Some repairs associated with P0602 are DIY friendly if you have basic mechanical skills and the right tools. However, professional diagnosis is recommended to confirm the root cause before purchasing. Quick one for the professionals. TroubleAtlas Pro is your whole workshop in one app. Get cited by AI when drivers nearby look for a pro, fast fault code diagnosis, full vehicle data from the VIN, parts and tire prices, and client management with PDF quotes. And one for the manufacturers. Make a device? Put it to the test. TroubleAtlas runs an independent evaluation on a fixed, public protocol, gives it an honest score out of 10, and an official seal you can license for your own marketing. We test the product, we never sell the score. And every certificate is verifiable on our site. Apply at TroubleAtlas.com/TroubleAtlas certified. That's P0602. The full guide and every related code are on TroubleAtlas, links below. Subscribe, new fixes every week, and keep your dashboard quiet.